Are you serious? Both key fob batteries are dead. So in this video, we're gonna replace the batteries in both these key fobs. Let's get started.
Oh, come on. Really? Key not detected. Depress brake pedal, touch engine, switch with key. Yep.
And what do we have here? Did I order 4 of them? Oh right, 1632 is what this 2010 Lexus GX460 key fob takes. Let's start by removing the key by pushing this button over to the right, to the left. And then you can see there's a little tiny slit right here. So we're going to stick this in and gently pry. Gently pry this apart. Ta-da! There's the battery. How do I get this out? There we go. There's one old battery. I cut here with scissors. How about we just rip it open? Because directions are for wimps. I read these Duracell batteries last 10 years. It's a 2010 GX460, which means the batteries here must be 10 years old. And these are also Duracell DL1632. I just wonder if that DL makes a difference. Oh geez, I probably do need scissors now. Urgh. The heck? It's gonna take me 10 years just to get this thing open. Okay, this is the positive. The positive goes down. Snap that in. Might be a good idea at this time to take the rubber waterproofing out and clean all the buttons. I cleaned them earlier when I looked up the battery number. Just got to make sure I put them back in the right spot. Oh, Look, there's a light. No light. Check it before you put it back together. Snap, snap. There's one. Let's see if I can get a better shot of this one. Okay, slide this over, pull it out, clean the key to get all the coffee off. Again, here's that slot. I'm going to use this to gently stick it in and twist this way. Ooh, I think there's still some coffee sticking here. I don't want to break it. These things are expensive. Is that coffee? No. Also be careful, this tab right here comes off. You don't want to lose that. And another GX460. Slide the tabs out. Electronic scissors would be helpful. See, scissors are for lazy people that don't want to spend a lot of time trying to rip open a plastic package. There we go. Once again, the positive side down. Snap that in there. Quick test. That's definitely not upside. That's upside down. This is upside down too, right? Oh no, it was right. So wait, which way is upside down? That's the right way. Right side up. It helps when you put it in the right way. Yep. Nice little red button. Again, make sure that's on there. You don't want to lose that silver tab. Snap it back together. Let's go try it out.
Nice. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please like and subscribe down below. Thank you.